don't knock, I don't wonder, I don't second guess the door. The way you pull me closer, tell me everything before. No questions in your eyes now, no doubt hiding in your tone. Every time I step beside you, I already feel at home. You don't ask me who I'll be, you don't try to make me stay, you just open up the space and let love find its way. Feels like home without asking, like I never had to prove. No waiting on permission, no explaining what is true. I don't chase, I don't pretend, I don't wonder where I stand. Feels like home without asking, just knowing that I can. I've known doors that stayed half open, love that kept me in between. But you don't leave me guessing about what this moment means. You don't count my footsteps, you don't hold the past against. You just meet me in the present, like that's more than makes sense. You don't rush tomorrow's name, you don't force a future plan. You just say you're welcome here, and that's how this began. Feels like home without asking, like I never had to prove. No waiting on permission, no explaining what is true. I don't chase, I don't pretend, I don't wonder where I stand. Feels like home without asking, just knowing that I can. Love is choice, let it be clear, not something I have to fear. I don't need a key or sign when your hand already in mine. No wait on what could go wrong, just right where I belong. Feels like home without asking, every time I walk your way. No doubt